What's up, guys? So it's Monday, and we just chopped on Gbpjpy. Guys, this trade was crazy, guys. And yo, man, it's really crazy. And the signal was sent to our students, and everybody actually ate, man. Everybody ate. I want to like break this trade down, show you how exactly I was able to take this trade, how I cooked, and how the students were able to eat. So I'm gonna take you on the charts, going straight into the video on how I was able to take that trade. So if you want to be part of this signal group, let me know. I'll actually okay, there's a link in the description below. You can actually sign up with a broker that we're using, and you can also send me a message on any of my social media handles. I'll be able to attend to you, and let me know if you've signed with the link. I can add you to our group for free. And if you want to also eat our signals, use our trademark signals, you can just let me know. Okay, fine. So what we're gonna do, I don't know what I'm talking about, but anyway, guys, so if you want to join my signals, what you only need to do is just to sign up with the link in the description below. I recommend you sign up with RCG, or you can sign up with Delive. Just use the links in the description below. Otherwise, guys, let me show you how I was able to take this beautiful trade on GJ. What's up, guys? So as I've already said, and right now we're on the charts. What you're seeing is Gbpjpy, guys. This is crazy, and this is just today on Monday. I don't know when you're watching this video, but this is like 5th of February, and we just sent this beautiful signal, and the students are eating. This was like the before, and it was pretty amazing. You can see like this trade. Okay, let me use this. You can see that this thing was published by Black Child right there, and this trade was sent along somewhere around after nine, right? And I told the students that, yeah, pay attention in this particular type. So let's also go and see where I told the students to pay attention. So let's come on WhatsApp, and yeah, man. So this is exactly what I'm talking about. We came here and we said, keep an eye on GJ. Soon we'll be selling. Next, it was this trade now when everything started pulling up, and the students were already eating. And this was my analysis. I actually explained exactly what all this thing means. And this is where the trade came in our zone, and we actually entered. And as I'm talking, the trade is currently melting. So let me show you where is the trade melting. So if you can see, right, exactly, just clear all. Yep, this is exactly the trade right now. Okay, fine. So right now, I want to show you exactly how I was able to take this particular trade. On a 4-hour time frame, GJ is just telling us that, nah, I think this pair is about to change direction. It's about to start pushing to the downside, or melting, I should say. So you can actually see right here, and we're having this area where we see price trading above and taking away the liquidity that was listing above here. And yeah, pretty amazing. And not only that, we're also seeing that price just also traded below this area. But this information is not really important. The most important information is what we are seeing right here, more especially the double top, the what ish. I don't want to say the double bottom. I mean the double top, because we're not here to talk about that. But anyway, last week there was US, yeah, there was NFP, and when NFP was released, and I'm pretty sure that this pair was a little bit affected, and price pushed up. That's the most important thing. Price pushed up, and not only pushing up, I saw price doing this, and we had this area where I saw price coming down there and liquidating all those areas, price got down there, liquidate all those areas. And not only that, we had a very important uh zone of demand. Okay, that was like a demand zone. That's why we saw price pushing to the upside. But I knew that, price can just push to the upside. And after all, we've been seeing price a little more closing below this area. Okay, so that is like another area where we're seeing price is trading below a lot. And I was considering this area to be an area of break of structure where I'm seeing like prices just constantly trading on the downside. And not only that, I saw this area. Let me also talk about it. Like I saw price trading here and then trading here and then trading here, trading here, trading here. And this is telling me that now there's something pretty interesting about this area. And this area is constantly becoming an area of demand. And how am I able to know that? When we come uh, okay, before I go there, how am I able to know that this area is the area of demand is because price has been trading in this particular zone for quite some time. And I've been actually making videos about this thing. And not only that, since we're not going to consider this area because that's like far away from what we're going to be looking at, it just taught me that when price is pushed up, somewhere around here, when price is pushed up, they came down because the market ended somewhere around it was somewhere around, yeah, these candles were not there when we were looking at our signal. These candles were not there. But something actually taught me something. I was actually seeing at how price has been trading at this area. You see so many candles forming at this area, and it's pretty telling me that no, this is, I think, an area of interest. This is like a key area, key zone. Something is gonna happen in this area. So just pay attention. So remember, like in my previous video where I was analyzing the chart on USD, I talked about, when you see price trading in that particular space for quite some time, just know that that area has the capacity to hold. And if you like let's say if your buyer says you need to be selling, right? And then you find that the market is just below this key zone, just know that sell, man, sell, man, sell. If the buyer says that you need to be buying and um if the buyer says that you need to be buying and the market is above here, bro, just keep on buying, just keep on buying. So because the market was like below the key zone, and then I just kept on selling, 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 and the signal was sent to our students. So now let's go deeper. Let's go deeper, and this is like a 4 hour, and let's see what's on a 1 hour time frame. So when I came on a 1 hour time frame, I was actually interested in seeing these lows being taken out. Like I was seeing this is like the highest. I mean, this was like the highest high that was like simply taken out. And when I saw this high taken out, I was like, okay, this is pretty interesting because if this high has been taken out, it means there was an FVG right here. And there is this pretty area of supply. So when I saw this pretty area of supply, it actually told me that, okay, fine, since we're having this area of supply, it's quite obvious that price might come down, push up, and then we can jump on a very beautiful sell. So before I go any further, I want like also to show you where I also anticipated a change of, I mean, a continuation pattern. This is where I actually anticipated a break of structure, BOS, and not only the BOS, I actually also noticed price coming above here, trading above here. This actually also taught me some break of structure, price coming above here to take out the liquidity. And as soon as price did all that, I was like, okay, fine, this is pretty amazing. It's simply always telling me like the same thing that we are in a buying. I mean, we are supposed to be selling. And when I woke up in the morning, I came and the market was somewhere around here. The markets were somewhere around there. Okay. So when I look at this scenario, I was like, okay, fine. I'm seeing that price is constantly trading in this area. Like I'm seeing multiple candles in this space. So this is telling me that this area might be an area of interest. But how? I went further. So I just like go straight on a 5 minute time frame. This is where I started like seeing everything. And I came down here. I put my level where I was seeing that this week was taken out. And remember, guys, there's a simple thing that I usually follow, whereby we'll have a lally and then we'll have a collection and then a lally. So let's say, for example, we're having a collection right here, and this collection is simply happening below these lows, which I'm going to consider them as the BOS, I mean, like change of character. And we're having a lally right here. Let me just also mark that area. We're seeing a lally right here where prices just dropped. And then after that, I'm seeing another rally down here. So if I see something like this, I just know already that, this is my area where I need to be shooting my trade. But before we go any further like that, I also want to show you something where I will consider, let's say, let's look at how many candles are right here in this zone. You see a lot of candles, 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 candles. This is telling me that no, this is an area of interest. Okay, so this being an area of interest, I'm gonna mark it as a POI. And not only that, oh, sorry, I've marked it as a demand zone. It was supposed to be as an, yeah, just like a POI. And not only that, I need like to modify this thing to actually be sure of where I'm entering my trade or what is exactly happening on this particular time. So in this case, I am seeing, I was able to see this FVG where, yeah, I was able to see this FVG right there. And if I do this, right? So that being an FVG, and not only that, the last break before, or maybe the last pause, or the closest broke, the closest what? The closest broke before whatever we pushed down. That's the thing that we need to consider. And also, apart from that, I also noticed price trading above here, which taught me that price was actually collecting liquidity at that place above there. And it's quite obvious that we're gonna see price coming again up here and then continue going down. And then when I saw these things always coming up into place, I was like, okay, we're entering on 15% and we're putting our stop loss right there, and our trade is gonna push all the way to the downside. This was exactly like what we anticipated with our trade. And if you can see, guys, this is really, really amazing. And let me also show you right here. You can actually see this was like before I did the markups and everything, but it's just like exactly what I'm talking about. And okay, let me also take you on this trade. Now we are in the trade. We're currently in the trade, and people are eating already. And at this time, okay. And then this is like right now, as I'm making this video, the market is somewhere around there. But most of my students, I've taught them to close the trade. So which means that today is Monday, and people have already eaten. And maybe let me just also like show you the results in the group where people have been eating, because it's been quite crazy, and students be like, oh yeah, let me show you the results where students are eating. All right, guys, so this is like uh, our Signals group. Let me just do this. This is our Signals group. You can actually see students showing their profits, students showing their profits. This is crazy and this is dope. And people chopped, man. People chopped. And yeah, I think that's like the end. And let me get you back on the charts. Yeah. All right, guys. So if you would like to join our Signal group, just let me know. The price for my Signals is $15 if you would like to be part of it. And yeah, or else you can actually just sign up with the link in the description below. You can sign up our broker, trade with our broker, and I'm gonna give you free Signals. So make sure when you sign up with our broker, then you can actually hit me up. I'll add you in our group. Otherwise, thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos, for more what? For more content or ish. I don't know, man. But yeah, man. Thank you so much. Have a very good day. Bye.